Prompt on close. Here is one of the simplest and most helpful setup tips, especially useful when you first begin using expert estimation. This will save you from pulling your hair out, unloading your wallet into the swear jar, or feeling like you want to put your fist through the computer monitor. And it's just 4 easy clicks. When you are new to using expert estimation and you want to close a project, you may instinctively go to the Close button, the white cross in the red box in the top right-hand corner of the screen. If you don't have the Prompt on Close option set up, then when you hit the red Close button, you will suddenly close not just the project, but the whole program, which means you'll have to start again, opening the program from the beginning and loading your project, then finding where you were up to in the estimate. But there is a super simple solution that will save you from this hassle. Here's how. Expert estimation only allows you to have one project open at a time. To close a project, go to File, and then select Close Project. You will see a prompt asking if you are sure you want to close the project. Let's have a look at what else you can do while you're here. When you go to File and then New, you can open a brand new blank project, base a new project on another project, and import a project or XML file. To see all your projects and file directory structure, go to File and then Projects. Here you can open, delete, export, or copy files as new. To find the Prompt on Close option, go to File and then Options. The second option in the General Options pop-up window is a simple tick box to display a confirmation prompt when you go to close the whole application. Tick the box and press OK. Now when you press the red Close button in the top right-hand corner of the screen, you will see the prompt window asking you if you are sure you want to close the whole application and not just the project. You can save your swear jar money for lunch or coffee and get on with your estimating. If you'd like more information, have a look at our knowledge base. If you have any further questions, contact us on our 24/7 support number by live chat or email. Contact us and see how we can help you.